Hey, this is Erica, and the disorder that I chose was the Hashimoto's thyroiditis. So what it is, it's an autoimmune disorder where the immune system attacks the thyroid gland, and it's the most common cause of hypothyroidism in the U.S. It causes inflammation of the thyroid gland, which impairs the ability to accurately and efficiently produce thyroid hormones. It's mostly found in middle-aged women, but it's not gender or age specific, so it could be found at any age or even in males. It progresses slowly, so there's no signs or symptoms to begin with, but one way that they diagnose it is through blood testing, and they look for TPOs or thyroid peroxidase antibodies, and they can be detected through blood work. And what that is, it's an enzyme that helps the production of thyroid hormones. So if you have the antibodies, it's obviously not letting these hormones be produced. But people do eventually have symptoms of hypothyroidism, which includes fatigue, constipation, xeroderma, depression, or for women, irregular menstrual cycles. It can also cause a goiter on physical examination on the thyroid gland. Sometimes it's noticeable, sometimes it requires an ultrasound to diagnose. Lab work will usually show excessive thyroid stimulation hormones and free T4 levels, but it also detects the TPO antibodies. The way that it's treated is with elevated TPO but normal TSH and free T4. It doesn't require treatment most of the time. Same with the mild hypothyroidism. But when there's elevated TSH but low thyroid hormones, it can consist of thyroid replacement medications, which would be synthetic levothyroxine, and it's lifelong. This TSH testing will go on every 6 to 8 weeks until the dosage is the correct amount for the person, and then once it's correct, it is then tested once a year after that. And if the levothyroxine is excessive, then the patient could develop symptoms of hyperthyroidism, which is why it's not just classified as hypothyroidism.